Good evening, ma'am, and everyone watching this. My name is Vijeta Shekhawat, and I am here to talk with Dr. Manisha Gaur about relationships nowadays. Um, Dr. Manisha Gaur is a clinical psychologist and relationship expert and founder of God Mental Health Clinic Ajmer, and she's been helping people around for quite some time. Then we may begin with a session.
How have you been, Vidita?
Ma'am, I've been good, ma'am.
With all this
How about you? Ma'am, you're not audible clearly.
sitting at home.
Yes, ma'am. Indeed, all of us are.
Yeah, so how
Not
can
all
we
of us are as lucky as you. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, not all of us are as lucky as you to go to work every day and help people out.
I think sitting back home is also helping the people in not spreading the virus more. So that is also
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely. It is actually helping the most.
yeah. So this is the most important thing which is happening now.
Yes, ma'am. Correct. Although in India, coronavirus has reached the dekhi jayegi level, but still people are aware and they are following it
Yeah.
because yeah. So I think we may start or we should wait.
We can. I think we can start because we are running with the time.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so ma'am, I had a few questions lined up from different people who had a lot of queries about this very famous subject that we call that's relationships.
Yes.
So I believe it is a golden opportunity for all of us that we are getting this guidance from you straight from our homes without going anywhere.
Thank you so
So
much.
one of the most yes, ma'am.
I think thank you so much for your kind words.
Ma'am, it's pleasure. Ma'am, one of the most common questions is how to manage a long distance relationship because right now during this corona pandemic, all of us are not able to go out and meet our partners, like especially the ones who are not married or even those who are married, army personnel and their wives. It's actually a bit of a challenge for people to manage it. So how to avoid miscommunication or how to avoid things that are not sorted because they are far away? How to do that? Like this is one of the most common questions that I received.
So something which is very important here is that long distance relationships, what people think, long distance relationship is, दूर से देखने पे it looks that, oh, it's good. With one is sitting in that corner and the other sitting in the other corner of the country, but they feel delighted that, oh, we are into relationship. But this unseen relationship creates more of problems. It's unseen relationship because, you're just virtually in contact. Physically, you cannot feel the emotions, you cannot feel the body language, you cannot feel the gestures, you cannot see the warmth of the relationship in the long distance relationship.
Yes, sir.
तो जहाँ warmth नहीं दिखती वहाँ problems create होने लग जाती है. So I will give few tips to the people who are into long distance relationship, and I think once we are through with the questions you're asking, I can invite people here who लोग भी all those who have joined and all those who are coming. If they have some questions, they can also put in their questions, which we will answer. I mean, I would answer at the end of the session. So,
Definitely, ma'am.
people who are in long distance relationship, they have to take care of few things. First thing is that they have to take care that they are not too much involved into their relationship. When you are this period of relationship, the courtship period of the relationship, the distant period of the relationship, it's very, people think about it. So it's a sweet thing. You all the time when you're in love, you're all the time thinking about your partner. But all the time thinking about the partner should not affect the relationship. How does it affect the relationship? If you're thinking all the time about a partner, you're expecting those messages. If you're in the courtship, you keep waiting. You have your phone in your hand. You would text the person, and then you will look for that. Oh, I'll get the reply. And if that reply delays, if the reply is not immediate, that delay reply disheartens us. And when this is
Yes.
disheartening, that creates problem. So if you're in a long distance relationship and if you're in a courtship period, if you're uh, wife of an army officer or husband of an army official or your wife is somewhere else, इन सब चीजों का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि आपका डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप में अपना रूटीन होना बहुत जरूरी है. यू नीड टू हैव योर ओन रूटीन. You have to give specific time to everything. Similarly, you have to give a specific time period for your relationship also. सारा टाइम दिमाग में आपका बिलीविड है, बट सारा टाइम बिलीविड को टेक्स्ट नहीं करना है, सारा टाइम बिलीविड से बात नहीं करनी है. यू नीड टू हैव दैट पीरियड टू टॉक टू दैट पर्सन. फिर रोज रोज हमें समझ में नहीं आता कि क्या बात करें, क्योंकि हम मिलते नहीं हैं, तो बहुत सारी बातें नहीं होती है. तो इन दैट केस इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इन लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप कुछ बातें डिसाइड कर ली जाए कि अच्छा चलो वील टॉक ऑन दिस. कुछ कॉमन म्यूचुअल इंटरेस्ट जो हैं उनके बारे में बात की जाए, उनको फोकस कर लिया जाए कि हम उसके बारे में आज पढ़ेंगे या उसके बारे में हम कोई फिल्म देख कर आएंगे एंड वील डिस्कस अबाउट इट. समटाइम्स इफ योर रिलेशनशिप इज नॉट गोइंग ऑन सो इजी, बहुत ज्यादा बातें नहीं है करने के लिए, सो इट इज ओके इफ यू गिव अ ब्रेक फॉर फ्यू डेज. इफ यू जस्ट हैव एन हाई हेलो और अ गुड नाइट गुड मॉर्निंग मैसेज, it is okay. I would also prefer that you go for video calling rather than a regular call, a normal call. But that video call should not exceed that long that it consumes all your day's data. Secondly, it should not be that long that it consumes other person's patience also. Because it is not necessary कि सब लोग एक ही टाइप का टेंशन रखते हैं. जरूरी नहीं कि हम जितना बातें नहीं है सामने वाला भी उतने बातें नहीं. तो हम अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, तो एट द सेम टाइम हमें सामने वाले के एक्सप्रेशन का भी ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. That is important.
Ma'am, your voice is slightly inaudible, ma'am.
Okay, am I audible now? I'll come little closer. ठीक है?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
तो इन चीजों का अगर हम ध्यान रखेंगे तो इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. तो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप भी बहुत इजी और कंफर्टेबल होगा.
Ma'am, I think the mic is having. Ma'am, is anything there on the mic? The voice is like
No,
suppressed.
nothing. I think your voice is also a little low.
Okay. Wait. Is it
I
better
think
now?
Thinking around, am I audible to all of you?
All of you, please give a thumbs up if ma'am is audible.
Am I audible to all of you? Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So ma'am, very useful points were there that you mentioned that we should take care of. But another doubt which I had was that these things can work if the partner is willing to work, like if both of them are giving their equal contribution to the relationship. What if the person in front doesn't want to listen? Like maybe he's frustrated or she is frustrated because all of this COVID pandemic, and sometimes these frustrations lead to arguments, which is not healthy for the relationship. How to manage that? And even maybe stopping the conversation or like limiting it to just good mornings or good nights sometimes lead to the person going more far from us.
Yes, I understand.
What to do?
One thing which is very important in a relationship. If you're in a relationship, you have to take care of the three themes. Alright? One is the commitment, the other is communication, and third is compromise. If you have a good communication, and communication doesn't mean कि सिर्फ एक ही व्यक्ति बोलेगा. Communication is always a two-way communication. Right? If one way is speaking and the other is not speaking, it will not be called as communication. तो communication में हमको बात करना है, सामने वाले को भी बात करना है, हमको सामने वाले को सुनना है, हमको अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करना है और सामने वाले को एक्सप्रेशन की फील भी करना है. If all these things are happening in the communication, it will go well. If there are some compromises, a level of adjustment, if you adjust a bit for yourself, in your case, सामने वाला भी थोड़ा सा अपने थोड़े एडजस्टमेंट करता है, और धीरे धीरे हम अपने लिए एक दूसरे के लिए अगर कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते हैं, थोड़े एडजस्टमेंट करते हैं, तो ये डेवलप होना बेटर होता है। पीपल हु आर इन रिलेशनशिप दे डेवलप होना बेटर होता है। तो दैट इज
So,
अगेन
expressing ourselves is a very important factor
yes,
according to you.
expressing ourselves.
Nicely,
Yes. And commitment is of course very important. If you're in a relationship, you should take care that you're
definitely.
committed to that person. कभी ऐसा नहीं होगा कि uh, you have two contacts, one is in hand and the other is in the pocket. It's not. It should not be like that.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so that answers my first question.
Yeah.
The next is that is also was a very popular question, that how to get over our ex. Okay, like people end the relationships for the sake of saying, but they keep a hold of that relationship for quite some time, and they're not able to get over it. And sometimes um, they get a very big shock when they see their partners moving on with someone else, because they did not actually accept the breakup at that time. So how to manage that, how to let it go?
Why does breakups happen? When all these things are happening, we need to have some questions in our mind. कि ब्रेकअप हुआ क्यों? क्या
Yes,
हमारी रिलेशनशिप में गड़बड़ चल रहा है? What was affecting what the other person was not able to give up? What I was not able to give that to that person? When we think about all these things and then we realize, जब ये सारे आंसर्स हम अपने लिए पूछने लग जाते हैं, so why did it happen? What did we lack? And where was we doing wrong, or where the other person was doing wrong? So when we ask these questions to ourselves after the breakup, we can satisfy. Because the level of expectation, आपने दिमाग में रखो, the level of expectation, love, care you wanted from the person, वो expectation उस इंसान ने उसको पूरी देने की कोशिश करी जितनी वो दे पाए. अभी वो नहीं दे पा रहा, so that is not your problem, that is his problem or her problem. So this is one thing which you can keep in mind, that he is or she is not capable of giving more love to me than what he has done. So when you answer this thing to yourself that उसकी capability नहीं होती है, उसकी capability इतनी है नहीं कि वो मुझे इतना अच्छे से रख सके, मुझे इतना care कर सके, मुझे बहुत अच्छे से मेरे लिए concerned है, जब उसके अंदर ये capability नहीं है, so why should we waste our time in thinking about him or her? It's better to move on. When we start answering ourselves in this manner, it becomes easy for us to come out of the relationship, the exit.
Okay. Ma'am, but can we consider a example? For example, there was a couple and they broke up due to some misunderstanding between them. Okay, both of them moved on with someone else, and a year later they came to know. I think I was not audible. I'm sorry. I put the mic elsewhere. Okay, so two people are in a relationship and they break up, and after a year they come to know that the reasons for which they broke up were not correct, or they were having a misunderstanding. All right, but now they have moved on, they can't go back, but the guilt is coming over that what they did was maybe wrong, and maybe they put that person through some unnecessary pain or some anguish, something that hurts the person very much. What to do in that situation? Like a lot of youngsters have this nowadays.
Yes, they have this situation. So one thing always remember, that whatever is happening, I always relate the things with the childhood, or with what our parents are, with what our parents are. The pains we have gone through, or the pains the person has gone through, will reflect in that way. That time, that was the reflection. And guilt always makes you realize and makes you learn the things more. Each time you commit a mistake, each time you learn something new. And when you learn something new, and when you look back into the past, that becomes a guilt for you. And it becomes guilt for you only if you feel that you have done something wrong. पर अगर आप पीछे मिलकर देखेंगे तो उस वक्त के लिए वो चीज सही थी, वो आपने गलत नहीं किया. गलत तो आपको आज लग रही है जब आप मूव ऑन करते हैं, जब आपने बहुत कुछ सीख लिया और जब आपने रियलाइज किया, उसके बाद आप उसके अंदर गिल्टी फील करें. तो guilt again will spoil your present relationship.
Definitely, ma'am. I do take that note of that.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yes, ma'am, your voice is very low. See, others are also saying.
Oh, I don't know. I think I'll use my earphone. Maybe I'll
Yes,
use
ma'am.
it. Just give me a second.
I would request my viewers to have some patience. Ma'am is switching her headphone. Thank you.
Yeah, I think it's going to be okay
Till then,
now.
you can think. Yes,
Am
ma'am,
I
much
audible?
better. Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yeah.
Till then, you all can pin down your questions if you have anything. Like, if you want to ask anything or any questions in your mind, you all can write down in the comment section. Okay. So, that did answer my query. Just a second, ma'am. I think I lost the page. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Then, ma'am, another question was that how to manage and make a strong bond in courtship period in case of arranged marriages. Again, especially in the case of this COVID pandemic,
Yeah.
when people cannot meet, they cannot
Hmm.
see each other. The
Hmm.
only medium they have is online
Hmm.
chatting, video
Hmm.
calls, or phone calls.
Hmm.
So, how to do something that strengthens their bond and lets them know each other better?
So the courtship period is very important period. You know, it's a very bubbly period because the initial 2-3 years of the life, including the courtship, that decides the future of your marriage relationship. Right. If you're going good and if you have developed a very good understanding, your future relationship goes on. So now here in this courtship period, you know, people generally what couples talk is all about lovey-dovey things, the bubbly things. And that is for the few time that you know, not for much time, like थोड़ा थोड़ा time दिन में कुछ कुछ time पढ़ना शुरू करा, कुछ कुछ time उन्होंने बात करना शुरू किया कुछ चीज़ों को, but उस वक्त वो अपने आप को सिर्फ उसी aspect से देखते हैं. They don't know. You get to know about the person only after you start living with the person.
Yes, ma'am.
राइट. सो कोर्टशिप पीरियड के अंदर ये चीज इम्पोर्टेंट होगी कि आप एक दूसरे के बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल में जानना शुरू करें. से लाइक अबाउट मे बी अबाउट द फैमिलीज ऑल्सो, यू टॉक अबाउट द पीपल, यू टॉक अबाउट द लाइक्स डिसलाइक्स, अबाउट द वर्किंग. देन आई टोल्ड यू इनिशियली, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप में जो काम हम करते हैं वो कोर्टशिप पीरियड के अंदर भी हमको करना चाहिए कि हमको अपने एक दूसरे को थोड़ा स्पेस देना चाहिए. बिकॉज दिस इज द टाइम जब रिलेशनशिप का शुरुआत होती है, और उस रिलेशनशिप के अंदर शुरुआत में हम ड्रीमिंग, डे ड्रीमिंग, बबली ड्रीमिंग बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं. जनरली कपल्स डू. जब वो बबली ड्रीमिंग होने लगती है तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस बढ़ने लगती है कि अभी कॉल आना चाहिए, अभी बात होनी चाहिए, अभी मैसेज का जवाब होना चाहिए. फ़ोन तो सारा टाइम हाथ में ही रहता है एंड एनी बीप वुड टेल यू, ओ इट्स हिज और हर मैसेज which is pinging on. So in that case, rather than that, again I would say this कि उस relationship को इस तरह से उनको करना चाहिए कि उनका एक टाइम स्लॉट हो कि ये टाइम पे हम बात करेंगे, ये टाइम पे हम मैसेज करेंगे, ये टाइम में हम एक दूसरे के बारे में ज़्यादा जानेंगे, इंटरेस्ट के बारे में ज़्यादा जानेंगे, और सारा दिन मैसेजिंग नहीं करेंगे और सारा दिन टेक्स्ट नहीं करेंगे. दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वॉट दे आर डूइंग नाउ will develop an expectation for the marriage first year also. वरना शादी होने के साथ जब डेली रूटीन शुरू हो जाता है, साथ में रहने लगते हैं, तो एक तो पहले वाली जो फीलिंग होती थी कि एक दूसरे को देखना है, मिलना है, हमेशा जो उत्सुकता रहती थी, दैट डिक्रीजेस बिकॉज द पर्सन इज राइट बिसाइड यू. When that decreases, the expectation of the partner, basically the female partner, that increases. पहले तो इतना टाइम होता था, पहले तो इतने मैसेजेस होते थे, पहले तो हम रात भर जाग जाग के बात करते थे, पहले ये सब होता था, अब क्यों नहीं होता? सो दोज एक्सपेक्टेशन डेवलप्स प्रॉब्लम्स इन द मैरिज लाइफ. वो फिर मैरिज लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करने लग जाते हैं. लेकिन अगर पहले से ही कोर्टशिप पीरियड से ही सब चीजें प्लान्ड हो तो दैट विल नॉट क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम्स. Initial 2 years, 3 years are very important for the deciding years that how your marriage is going to go on.
Ma'am, indeed. That raises another very important question, if there is an answer to that psychologically, that how to know that arranged marriage, that how to know that the person is of someone who we want to marry. Like, do we have same likings, or do we have compatibility, or is it a good relationship to move forward with? Because in arranged marriages it's like a bet. and
Yeah.
she do not know.
So yes. So it's very important to see take care of this कि arranged marriages जो होती हैं, we choose the person. Sometimes the families decide, many a times we ourselves decide. बट वो मोमेंटरी होता है कि वो डिसीजन हमने देखा, हमको अच्छा लगा, करा. बट रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग, कंपैटिबिलिटी बिल्डिंग in courtships, in arranged marriages, is with the compromise. The 3 C's I told you: the commitment, communication, and the compromise. No two person in this world, in this universe, are same. कोई भी दो जन सेम नहीं होते. If we talk about the personalities, if we talk about the psychological views, if we talk about the emotions, if we talk about the handling of the situations, no two people are same. There are different people with different ideologies, with different thinkings, with different aspects. तो दो जन कभी सेम नहीं होते हैं. कंपैटिबिलिटी हमको थोड़ी बनानी पड़ती है, एंड वो बनाते हैं हम जब हम एक दूसरे को समझ पाते हैं. और उसको समझने के लिए मैंने आपको जो बोला था, टाइम गैप में, ब्रेक्स में टाइम स्लॉट करके, अपना रूटीन सेट करके, एक दूसरे के साथ जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है, कम्युनिकेशन है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट दिस एडजस्टमेंट, कंपैटिबिलिटी, कम्युनिकेशन की जब हम बात करें, तो बहुत सारी चीजें जो बहुत ध्यान में देनी चाहिए. व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग एंड व्हेन यू हैव कंप्लेंट्स फ्रॉम योर पार्टनर, something is really disturbing you, maybe in the courtship, maybe in the marriage, something is disturbing you. You feel that your partner is giving every weekends, he's going with his friends, or she's busy somewhere, and he doesn't have, I have a lot of work, both of are working, the house chores is not being divided, I'm not getting that help. So when we have all these complaints, it is always good to communicate with your partner, and communication should never be in the blaming form. You did not do this for me, you don't give me time, you don't spend good time, you don't help me out, you don't manage the children, you don't manage the household chores. When we start doing this, the opposite person, जो सामने वाला इंसान है, वो डिफेंडिंग मोड में आ जाता है. It becomes a battle, it becomes a cricket match. One is throwing the ball and the other is ready to hit the ball. So we don't have to add fuel to the fire. At that time, the couples don't have to add fuel to the fire. That is the time when they have to, one of the partner has to be calm to understand the things. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, और जो व्यक्ति बोल रहा है, तो उसके लिए बात करने के लिए तरीका होना चाहिए. I'll tell you about certain periods. If there is a communication gap, if there is a disturbance in a relationship, so when your partner comes home after the office, after the work, that is not a very good time to talk and discuss about that relationship issue or those problems. Or when you are going for a dinner, for party, or for you're going out somewhere and you have a good time, that is not a good time to talk about the problems. Just before going to bed, it is not a good time to talk about the problems. आपको problems decide करने के लिए, आपस में बात करने के लिए भी एक time period decide करना चाहिए कि this is the time when I want to talk to you. I have couple of things in my mind and I want to talk to you. और जब हम वो सारी चीजें बात करते हैं, तो हमें हमेशा उस तरह से बात करना चाहिए कि I think I'm getting little disturbed because of these situations. I think I'm getting little disturbed because children are not being managed. I think I'm disturbed because of the house chores. So I'll feel very happy if you help me out. So here we are not blaming the person. We're not doing this you. It's I, and I'm expressing myself. And when we express ourselves, so the person doesn't feel offended. The person feels comfortable. And then they're ready to listen to you, talk to you. Right? So these are the certain things which are very important in the relationships to let them going on well.
Yes, ma'am. I agree with each and every point. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes.
To me, yes. I don't know if to everyone.
No, I actually removed my earphones. That's why I was asking.
Okay.
Okay, another case that we see in our daily lives, ma'am. Sometimes we do genuinely care about that person. We do have commitment, communication, everything is there. But the work stress is too much. And for us students, you can say exam stress. Okay. And, okay. Thank you, Srujan. Yes, sir. So sometimes the problems are that we are not able to communicate due to time or work stress or the outside circumstances that affect our relationship. Now, how to manage that?
So for this I will tell you that किसी भी टाइम को बहुत ज्यादा एक्सेस नहीं देना चाहिए. ब्रेक्स तो हर जगह होने चाहिए. जहाँ ब्रेक्स हमारे पढ़ाई में इम्पोर्टेंट है, हमारे रिलेशनशिप में इम्पोर्टेंट है, हर जगह इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो इवन डिस्पाइट ऑफ दैट दैट यूर स्टूडेंट, आई थिंक यू कैन गिव अ गुड टाइम टू योर रिलेशनशिप ऑल्सो. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप पूरा 1 घंटा दो, आप 5-10 मिनट भी दे सकते हो. पर अगर आप नहीं दोगे वो डिस्टर्बिंग हो जाएगा, बिकॉज द अदर पर्सन, इफ दैट पर्सन इज वेटिंग, अगर वो इंसान भी स्टूडेंट है, आपकी तरह ही बिजी है, सो आई थिंक यू आर गोइंग इन द सेम पेस एंड you'll have equal understanding about the situation. But if one is student and the other is working and has some time for you, then the understanding will be disturbed. In that case, despite of that you have a lot of work, maybe your office work, maybe your academics, maybe some any other work or household chores, anything, you have to spend time for your relationship. Not necessarily hours, but yes, 10-15 minutes every day. Many couples come to me, they come up with the problems. I get many cases of marital disharmony. I get many cases when they reach up to the level of divorce. But then every time I tell them that you need to spend time with yourself, not the quantity time but the quality time. It doesn't matter that how long are you together. आप साथ में बैठे हो या आप साथ में बात कर रहे हो, लेकिन you're talking with your phones in your hand, you're talking watching a television, you're talking chatting on the WhatsApp or Insta or Snapchat or any other social media. That communication is not a quality communication. That quality communication is that maybe you can sit together, have a cup of tea or coffee, you can have the sips together, you can sit where you don't have much of disturbance, and that time is just for you, each other. So even those 10-15 minutes would be rejuvenating, will be refreshing, and will bond the relationship more.
Okay, ma'am. That's a very nice opinion and help and feedback from you that we can get about our stress, exam stress especially. This question was from one of my friends who just joined, so
Yeah.
I'll be telling her that she's late. I'll help her out later. I'll be uploading the video.
Yeah.
So it's right.
Exam stress in itself is a topic we can take it some other time, maybe.
Definitely, ma'am.
Yeah.
All the people who are listening right now.
Yes.
Another opportunity for all of us. All right. Ma'am, it is often seen that one of the two says things in the heat of the moment and drastically affect the relationship. Okay. So, as far as this question is concerned, this was asked by one of my brothers. All right. So, he has a very impulsive nature, we can say, and he says things in heat of the moment. And his partner, on the other hand, is of the kind who blames very easily. Now, you already told us that blaming will not help. So I get that. Maybe the other one has to work on that. But how to work on our impulsive nature? Like when he's angry, he just wants to say it out and finish it. So what should he do? Or
Right.
many others.
Right. So when you're getting angry, when you're getting into argument, always remember one thing. When you feel that your argument is getting heated up, stop that moment. And at that moment, move out at some place where you feel embarrassed talking or shouting or increasing the pitch of your level. Maybe you can move on in some restaurant, some cafe, public garden, and then there you can sit and discuss about your things, your problems. So this has to be the conscious thinking. You have to feed yourself consciously about it. Even if you're impulsive, the conscious thinking can be done, changes can be made. Okay, if we consciously think about it and we feed ourselves all the time that no, I don't have to raise my voice, or I have to stop the moment where I'm feeling that the argument will heat up. This conscious thinking is very important. If this is managed, then the argument wouldn't go in a very arrogant manner. that has to be taken care. So and it is just not that कि एक बारी आपने अपनी पिच को, एक बारी आपने अपने आप को स्टॉप किया, बाहर जाके बात कर लिया. Every time you're into conversation, every time you're talking up, the moment you feel that your voice is raising, you're getting high to your pitch, you have to stop yourself that moment, and maybe we can talk little later. Get aside, and maybe you can talk a little later. You can uh, get involved in some other thing, but do not leave your partner that time. जब बहुत ज्यादा लड़ाई झगड़ा होता है तो कपल्स एक दूसरे को छोड़कर भाग जाते हैं. कभी बोलता है मैं, कोई कभी मैं जा रहा हूँ यहाँ से, कभी मैं जा रही हूँ यहाँ से, बिकम्स द कंडीशन. इन दैट केस मैं जा रही हूँ कंडीशन स्टेट नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि सामने वाला पार्टनर जो हर्ट है, दैट पार्टनर नीड्स योर टाइम, दैट पार्टनर नीड्स यू. सो दैट टाइम डोंट से एनीथिंग बट साइलेंटली बी अराउंड. इफ यू आर साइलेंटली अराउंड, it's paused. Vijita, I think it's you who's paused. Rest everything. Everyone can hear me, I guess. So if you're silently around each other, that gives a lot of confidence about the relationship. That increases the bond of the relationship. जब एक पार्टनर परेशान है तो दूसरे को छोड़कर नहीं जाना चाहिए, उसको अकेला उसके आसपास रहना चाहिए. दे ऑफन कम एंड पीपल ऑफन कम एंड से मी कि पुरानी बातें लेके बैठ जाती है, वो सारी बातें शुरू कर देती है. एंड और द फीमेल्स हैव दैट कंप्लेन दैट husband avoids, ignores and doesn't come and go, doesn't listen to the things. At that time I say them कि अगर वो पुरानी बात कर भी रही है तो उसको शांति से सुन लो. एक बार ही सुन लोगे शांति से, without telling her कि बीच में आप कुछ भी बात करो ना, उसमें if but नहीं आना चाहिए. You have not been doing this. I agree to what you're saying, but here you were wrong. So if you get these ifs and buts in a relationship, arguments heats up, relationships gets disturbed. So these ifs and buts should not be there.
The rules of a group discussion, I say. I agree with you, but I would like to add one point to your conversation.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. That was helpful indeed. There are times when we can see the person is going away, but we can do nothing about it, although we keep desiring to be able to do something about it. Like what to do when we know the relationship is deteriorating, and we are trying our best to maybe become calm or become expressive or communicate, but everything is backfiring constantly, which is leading to our frustration as well, and that person is still going away. What to do in that situation?
So here the answer is in the relationship itself.
Okay.
I told you initially also. Here again I'm saying, if somebody is going away, their responses tell itself whether you should continue this relationship or not. Don't let anything disturb you. Don't let anything overpower you. Don't let anything affect you. So you have to take care about this thing. If you get the minimal responses, आप 10 रिस्पॉन्स कर रहे हो और आपको जवाब सिर्फ हाँ ना में मिल रहा है, आप बात कर रहे हो, आप पिंग कर रहे हो, बट आपके पास कोई जवाब ही नहीं आ रहा है, और इट्स जस्ट अ वेरी फॉर्म, जो बात बहुत अच्छी हुआ करती थी वो अब फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन में बढ़ गई है, चेंज हो गई है. टॉक्स हैव स्टार्टेड बिकमिंग वेरी फॉर्मल एंड वेरी मिनिमल, व्हिच यूज्ड टू बी टू गुड इनिशियली. दैट इज इन इटसेल्फ answer to the question that the relationship doesn't need your time more. You have to take care about it, that you don't have to consume your energy into all this. You have so many other good things to get into, to do.
But ma'am, what if the relationship is a marriage? Then we need to do something.
Yes. If the relationship is a marriage, if both of you are not able to manage that, then indeed you need to take help of some expert. Many a times when we are not able to manage ourselves, we need to take help of the expert. हमको जुकाम होता है, हम अपनी तरफ से बहुत सारी चीजें ट्राई कर लेते हैं, हल्दी पी, अदरक पी लेंगे, शहद डाल लेंगे, लौंग खा लेंगे, कुछ कर लेंगे, पर वो कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा, आपको डॉक्टर की हेल्प लेनी पड़ती है. You need to go and see the doctor.
Yes.
All right. So similarly, it happens in the relationships also, that despite of that, that you're working hard for your relationship, you're trying for it, but you're not able to do it. In that case, you must go and see an expert for that. You must go and see a psychologist, a marriage counselor. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. That was a
because I
that is a
believe,
step we don't think of
yes, we don't think of.
usually.
People are
Keep on
we get,
trying.
yeah, they keep on trying, and it's a stigma to visit some psychologist or counselor, somebody like that.
Definitely. To everyone watching this, like, this is my humble request that, and I think that you all are aware, that is why you are here right now watching this live, that mental health is important. And taking
Yes, it
help from a
is.
psychologist doesn't make you mad. It makes you aware, self aware, and a self loving person, maybe, like me.
Yes.
Okay, so next question.
Yeah.
Um, there are some problems for which we often say ये बातें मिलकर सॉर्ट करेंगे, but now we can't do anything about the meeting part. What to do in that case? Where we totally give up. Like, we cannot do that on phone. We have both tried our best. We have tried to communicate, we have tried to watch things of similar interest, we have tried video calling and everything that Google says that we should do in a long distance, or what you said. Then what should we do?
Take a break.
Okay.
Take a break in the relationship. It is also important. If you feel that things are not sorting out, is it okay? I have to hold it, I guess. If you think that the things are not being sorted out, things are not being okay, take a break for it. Sometimes you need time for yourself. You need to heal yourself for the situations, because whatever things are happening are disturbing both the people, both the partners. And when it disturbs, then is the time that you have to heal yourself first. Because out of that rage, out of that anger, out of that expectation, out of all these questions, we start overpowering our stresses, our thoughts, our negative thoughts, and then it becomes a chain. कि वो ऐसा कर रहा है, मुझे avoid कर रहा है, he is not very keen, I don't want to lose the relationship, and then comes the insecurity. And when somebody is insecure,
And my next question.
they try to pull up those things more. जितना insecure
Correct.
होते हैं उतना उस चीज को अपनी तरफ pull करने की कोशिश करते हैं, पर वो भूल जाते हैं that more you stretch a band, a rubber band too, you're going to break that. You cannot
Exactly.
force anybody to get into a communication, a relationship with you. That is not possible.
Yes.
So giving a break at that time is important. Self-evaluation is important. To understand each other is important. And in fact, most important is to understand yourself, that what are you expecting? What do you want out of this relationship? How are you looking this relationship as? All right, getting that.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the things.
Agreed. Zero. Okay, ma'am. Insecurity, as we are talking about, that
Yes.
leads to me. That leads me to my next question.
Yes.
That how to handle possessiveness, jealousy, and insecurity, because these are also some things that I believe happen a lot when people are aware.
Yeah, and this is very important question, because sometimes the possessiveness out of love, if it is happening, it is okay. If a girlfriend is getting jealous if the boyfriend is talking to somebody else, or the boyfriend gets jealous if the girlfriend is talking to some other male and getting little possessive, it is okay. Even it happens in the husband-wife relationship also. Husband doesn't like his wife talking or somebody else admiring or appreciating his wife so much, so even they might get jealous. That possession to some level is okay. But if that possession, the feeling of possessiveness and that jealousy increases to the extent that it, affects the partner's freedom, then it becomes a
Yes.
problem. Then it becomes a
ma'am,
problem. And that can be because of the psychiatric illness as well.
Okay. Of
Say, somebody getting delusional about their spouse or the partner, she must be having a relationship with somebody else. उसके साथ भी उसका relation है, उसके साथ वो किसी से भी हंस के बात कर, जब possession बढ़ने लगता है, तो लगता है पोजेसिव होने लगते हैं, फिर उसको तुम बाहर नहीं जाओगी, तुम इससे बात नहीं करोगे, तुम काम पे नहीं जाओगे, तुम you won't go, I'll get you the grocery, I'll get you the vegetables, I'll get you things, because he doesn't want his spouse to move around or to interact with any male. And that can happen same with the females also, because they don't want their husbands to interact with anyone. किससे बात कर रहे हो, इससे क्यों बात कर रहे हो? I had a case where wife was so delusional about her husband that she did not let her talk. An MBBS people, couple. So of course आप कोएड कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे हो, आपके बॉयज और गर्ल्स दोनों फ्रेंड्स होंगे. So she did gradually, she deteriorated and completely took away the list of his friends who were his college friends. She did not let them. वो उससे बात करता रहता है, किससे बात कर रहे हो, क्यों बात कर रहे हो, उधर नहीं बात करोगे, उधर. And she was so dominating in that sense that that guy got scared कि मैं क्या करूं, मेरा फ्रीडम खत्म होता जा रहा है, मैं चैट नहीं कर सकता, मैं बात नहीं कर सकता. एंड दिस हैपेंस विद द फीमेल्स आल्सो. तो अगर ये पोजेशन बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो रहा है और आपकी जो फ्रीडम है उसके ऊपर अफेक्ट कर रहा है, देन इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ कंसर्न. मस्ट सीक प्रोफेशनल हेल्प फॉर दैट.
Ma'am, but what about the person who is being jealous or possessive? Like, even if she knows that she or he slash, that even if they know that what they are doing might be annoying the person, if nothing else, the person in front, but they can't help it. So even that person needs help, or it's normal? Like,
No, even that person
if it's
needs
too
help
much,
then. If anything in excess is not normal.
correct.
Anything which is not in the norms, societal norms, is not normal. If jealousy is too much, is
Normality.
not normal. Yes.
The definition of normality.
Yes, the definition
Yeah,
of
we
normality.
studied. Okay, okay. Now, okay, this one's one of the important ones. I feel that after some time, it is seen that some relationships lose their spark or become just a repeated loop of some
Yes.
fixed things
Yes,
that they
yes,
keep doing
yes.
over and over.
Mhm.
How to change that and make relationships, and this goes for girlfriend boyfriend relationship, courtship period, as well as married relationship of any age. So it gets monotonous, or maybe, and then people seek happiness or excitement elsewhere in some cases. That leads to the frustration or dissatisfaction of the other partner if he or she notices. So how to take care of that and make our own relationship worth it?
Yeah. So something important here is that spark. I really like this question of yours, because this spark. थोड़ा दिन पहले ही मैंने एक वेबिनार किया था, boyfriend at 40. Why do females and girls need boyfriends at 40?
Yeah.
Because in that relationship, stagnation comes and they lose that spark. So, spark बहुत important होता है. उस spark के लिए it is important to date each other even after marriage also, during the courtship also. So, deciding about that date, oh, that is the day we have to date. That gets on all the fantasies and that fascinates. And when those fantasies and fascination comes, that keeps your relationship alive. All right. Similarly, for the couples, even, planning the dates for certain things, planning the dates for moving out, for a coffee, for a movie, or maybe for sexual relationships. If all these things are planned and you wait for a certain time, that spark continues. Because you wait for the
Okay.
things. It
Remember
becomes dead when
going
you
out-
stop talking. It becomes dead when you do not converse about it. It becomes dead when you take it for granted. कि हाँ ये तो अब
Exactly.
हमारा रिलेशनशिप है. कोई भी चीज जब फॉर ग्रांटेड ले ली जाती है तो वो अफेक्ट करती है, और देन वी लूज द स्पार्क.
Remember, don't you think this much awareness is not that common in couples, that, oh, my relationship is getting boring, so I should do something about it. I should go out. And also, please say, yeah, definitely,
Yes, this
definitely,
will
we'll
be
save the
there.
IGTV.
Yes.
Okay. Also, like sometimes that people do not, most of the cases, I believe, even if awareness is there, that is just one partner who is trying to keep things alive.
Trying.
And even when they do, I think most of the times the techniques they use are also, we can call them cliches of the society, like going out for a movie or a date night, because these things are actually, and nobody at the age of 40 or 45 have that much time to decorate an entire room for the partner, maybe that's creative, or maybe make the partner happy. They
Right.
do
But you don't need to decorate
suffice
your room.
with.
वो सब करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको। ये उस वक्त तो 40 के एज में तो ये होता है कि आप बच्चों से अपने आप को कैसे दूर कर सकते हो टू स्पेंड योर ओन टाइम। That is more
Correct,
important than decorating the room.
correct,
So they can plan their meetings like that, that they can go for a coffee without their kids, or they can plan their time like that. Oh, their kids are school, their kids are busy, and then they're having their we time. So that is more
correct.
important at that time. That creativity involves according to the situation. This question is from coming up from your age people, and it is certainly good because you don't have so many responsibilities right now to run the family, to look for the family finances, to look for the school fees, to look for each other. You don't have so many responsibilities. So this creativity comes in this age, and that is certainly right. इस age के अंदर ये creativity surprises देना अपने partner को, वो हर age में important होता है. Whenever people come to me, I tell them, especially जो females होती हैं, वो बहुत soft होती हैं. Soft in the sense emotionally, biologically तो बहुत strong होती हैं, लेकिन emotionally बहुत soft होती हैं. So when the couples they come to me, I tell them that I want you to give them a tedious dose of a hug. That means it is mandatory for the husband to hug his wife at least thrice a day. Why? Because if females get that touch, they become emotionally stronger. They feel
Correct.
good, they get into that comfort zone. तो वो जरूरी नहीं कि 40-50 पे ही दिया जाए, या 40-50 होते होते अरे अब क्या हक करना, अब बच्चे क्या सोचेंगे, तो बच्चों से छुपके करो ना। पहले जो आप लोगों से छुपके करते थे वो बच्चों से छुपके करो।
Exactly.
Right. So
That
relationship can
sounds
always have that
exciting.
spark.
Exactly. That sounds
Yeah.
more exciting than a movie date or a restaurant date. Because
Exactly.
that is also people do for igniting the spark regularly,
Yes.
and that actually
Yes.
goes away.
Yes.
Okay. Mm, there are times when a person, our partner, is constantly doing mistakes and the other is frustrated but unable to say or do anything. Like we are trying to make that person realize that we are not liking it, that he or she should stop doing it, or maybe that method of his or her is incorrect according to us, but still there is no hope or improvement or any change in that person, it's just the same. Then what should we do?
Again, here comes the expectation. Expectations
Well, but
in the relationship.
this is something basic that we do can expect from our partner, right? Like
Yes.
at least this much should be there in a relationship. That
What is this
the
much?
person, ma'am, at least this much is okay. I am about to get caught in a web of questions. I can sense it. But okay, fine. This much, according to me, is that if something is really bothering me and the partner, I am continuously trying to express or tell him or her that I am not able to go through this thing, and even if I am constantly telling him that it's bothering me, there is no change on his part. That is something basic that I deserve. That
Yes, yes.
if I am being bothered
Yes.
by something,
If you're being bothered by something, if any person, the partner in the relationship is being bothered by something, so most important thing is that the partner should take a step back. आपने बहुत बार बोल दिया, कंटिन्यूसली उसी चीज को बार बार बोलने के बाद भी अगर आपको जवाब नहीं मिल रहा है, आपको कोई चेंज नहीं मिल रहा है, आप एक स्टेप बैक लीजिए. So here I am talking about the expectation. But then is the time when you have to change the expectation from him to yourself. First thing which is unanimous, which is very important in every area, if I talk about psychology or something like that, is that you have to love yourself. You cannot make yourself available to the person in any situation to that matter that he consumes your energy, he bothers you, or he doesn't look after you. आप फॉर ग्रांटेड
Yes.
अपने आप को नहीं दे सकते हो किसी को, आप स्टेप बैक लो. एक्सप्रेस जहां हम पॉजिटिवली करते हैं, हमको अपना एक्सप्रेशन ये भी दिखाना है कि ये चीज हमको पसंद नहीं है, सो वी मूविंग आउट ऑफ इट, वी मूविंग अवे ऑफ इट. इवन इन द मैरिज रिलेशनशिप, इफ यू डोंट लाइक समथिंग, यू कैन साइलेंटली टेक अ स्टेप बैक. आपका वो चेंज, आपका वो बिहेवियर ही सामने वाले को बता देगा कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, देयर इज समथिंग. एंड देन will be, then he will also, if the partner is in love with you, partner will definitely try to get that communication back, will try to change the things. अगर हम स्टेप बैक नहीं लेते हैं और अगर वो चीज हमें बॉदर करने लगती है और अगर हम उसको सामने वाले के ऊपर we try to play the blame game. You are not doing this to me, you are not taking care of me. When this blame game starts, then the partner gets into the defending mode, and when the partner gets into defending mode, the argument heats up, and when the argument heats up,
Correct.
problems, it's always a fire. And every blame game, every you did not
Exactly.
do this, will works as a gasoline to the fire.
Correct, ma'am.
Yeah, so we don't have to add
ma'am.
fuel to the fire.
That was actually my next question. That nowadays we see a lot of posts about self-love
Yeah.
that make your choices important. Do not give yourself totally away to a person,
Huh.
or maybe prioritize your life. That what you want first, live for yourself. And in that light, I totally agree with whatever you said right now. That we need to love ourselves first. Then only I think we will be able to love someone else or give our energy to someone else. Because that's actually difficult if we do not have any regard for ourselves as well. So, indeed, agreed with everything what you said. Okay, this one's also
I
nice.
think we're running out of time. We're already done with an hour.
Okay.
It might stop anytime.
Are
So if
we?
yeah, I just looked at the watch and I
Okay.
realized. Yeah. So
Okay, so at least the viewers, if they have any questions, maybe
they
so they
come
can
up
pin
with
it
that.
down.
Yes.
Yeah. So by the time anyone is writing any questions, maybe we can take one more. Okay.
Okay.
Just one last.
Okay.
Okay. There is a usual conflict between what we know is right and what we want should be right.
Yeah.
For example, continuing to be with someone who we know is not right for us.
Huh.
Okay. Sometimes we just can't let go. अब जैसा भी है मेरा ही है और अब कमियां तो सब में होती हैं.
Right.
This kind of mentality.
So-
It's actually decaying
Yeah.
us
So this
and our
thing,
souls.
yeah. So here again, I'm giving importance to ourselves, taking our priorities, which doesn't affect anybody else. I'm not asking you to be a selfish person,
Yes.
but you need to take care of yourself. If you're going to love yourself, if you're taking care of yourself, if you're pampering yourself, only then you will have that ability to love everyone else, pamper everyone else. And our expectations are always, जो हम सोचते हैं, जरूरी नहीं कि सामने वाला सोचता है. सबके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज अलग अलग होते हैं और हम जो सोच रहे हैं वो हमें हमेशा सही ही लगता है. In that case, auto suggestions, auto thinking always works. So every day give time to yourself to think about what has all gone in your mind. आपने क्या क्या सोचा है और क्या हो रहा है और आप क्या कर रहे हैं. And we have 20 seconds remaining, I guess. Yeah.
It's okay. I think we did have a really productive session today, and anyone who heard this or will be hearing this will definitely be benefited by this, because relationship is something we live for today, be
Yeah.
it mother, father,
So if you
or
have
anything.
yes. So if you have any other questions, you can post, or any other suggestions you want.